Yes, welcome to Jamaica Young Police Channel. To all loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior, and respect those who disregard these principles. We strongly believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. Yes, preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Now, that's a logical conclusion. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are a platform, not for criminals. We don't seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe criminals belong in prison or the departure lounge at Madden's. So help me God and nowhere else. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. We aim to instill a deep-seated hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers who are robbing the people, whether they're drugs or their property. We hate thieving police officers with a passion. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are unavailable on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you support our cause, which costs less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. Yes, we at the Jamaica Young Police Center. We can publicly boast that we are one of the biggest informer on YouTube. I say biggest informer. Yes, yeah man. We don't keep information about criminality and raps. We report it to the relevant authorities. So we want, so as we have been talking about death threats and stuff like that. So yeah, so this Jamaican man, self-proclaimed Chicago serial killer, boasts about killing 14 people in Illinois, Chicago, Illinois. So he said that we are the next person that he's going to kill. Yeah man, yours truly. And as usual, once our life is threatened, that's our fear heightened. But yeah, so we're gonna let you, before we let you hear the conversation that we have with this man. We just gonna say, have you ever heard the saying, if a man is supposed to die from drowning, not even a bomb can kill him? Yeah man. So whether you believe it or not, our life often seems like they follow a written manuscript with each event unfolding as preordained. I tell you, because we can tell you this: if we don't say the blessing of God while we're still here, because we're not supposed to be here. Yeah man, we should have been gone from where before we are 19. I tell you that, yeah. That was the first brush. Before we are 19, we should not be here. And even before, outside at the police was, maybe my father first in my year this. In time, I was 16 on MASH, right at the corner, Price Street and Spencer Street. First me I thought about this. There's this guy that I used to go to school with. Honestly, I'm going to know my alias name. He was a goalkeeper for the school at St. Mary's College. A guy named Yasi. Yeah, Yasi. So those who went to understand him live in Canada. So I was standing up, myself and my cousin, Yeah, man. Same cousin where a dummy, bright in but I'm still a dummy and them thing there. Then the man there can't think. The man there a real cult, PMP criminal organization supporter. Can't think. Even when I try to reason with him keep making excuse. So yeah, so we were standing at the corner of Price Street and Pencer Street. Talking to Yasi. 1986 August. That was like a week after I did the police station pass, And this guy named Bernard from Craigtown. I don't know what him and Yasi have, and the man come there and start fire pay shot on Yasi, And Yasi escaped. We escaped too. My cousin and I jumped. We went through Mr. Buff yard and jumped and went over in a father yard at 51 Penn Street. Yeah. I tell you, not even maybe I first saw my father go here, or even people in my family. But my cousin, him, we even talk about it the other day. Never even talk about it when I was police. It wasn't, the shots weren't intended for me, but I could have been shot, you understand? Anyway, months after that, Bernard, same guy, I apologize, and I can tell you, I had a deep-seated hatred for him, but when I became a police officer, them kill him, because I had it bent, that any time, yeah, man, believe you me, yeah, Bernard, yeah, man, and he was killed. He come from Craigtown. First time that when I was 16 and mash, yeah, man, I try to kill one of my schoolmates. Never see him again. Yeah, see, understand? So him live in Canada and all kind of thing. I was my virgin still when we go to school, Long and mag and he was a man chat nothing, but yeah, he was bad boy when we go to school and everything. That I tell you, yeah, man. But I never had no badness and them thing when we go to school. But the man them, we come from the community and you understand. Yeah, just like Dinah. Dinah wasn't a bad man when we were at school. The man that was always decent, honest, ethical, truthful. The man ain't a thief and all them things. Then the man that just play football. Yeah, man. So he up Dinah. Yeah, so as we tell us, we're not supposed to be here. So you understand. So we give God thanks. So we know so our life is like a manuscript. So at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we embrace this philosophy. Our mission is to speak the truth and expose the harsh reality that others try to hide, regardless of the threats and dangers we face. We understand that our path is fraught with peril, but a more significant purpose to guide us. Consider the self-proclaimed Chicago serial killer from Jamaica who has threatened our lives. We directly converse with this individual, revealing their attempts to intimidate us. So we're gonna let you hear from this self-proclaimed Chicago serial killer from Jamaica who wants to kill us. So I want you to listen to this conversation between us and this so-called killer, and not only him. You're going to hear, I'll tell you, you're going to hear even like a dummy him say him claim say him know we and all kind of thing, and him want to kill we and therapy. We not just settings, we show you evidence. You understand? So one of the things we are hype up yourself and one and two little things. No, one of them things there. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
You chat in a pussy. And even know someone know you long time, batty boy. You say one of them create big action in Jamaica, but now yourself, man, head soon get cut off here.
We go high school together. I stop bumbo clock till life and blood clot Michael Manley and the PMP organization.
So
blood clot till life, and now that woman that come talk about Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel of God. You feel me?
So what you
blood clot life. Jamaica Young Police, the pussy clot. You capitalize. Oh, by the way, why you lick Jamaica so hard?
Why
you lick Jamaica so hard?
Well, because I say going to truth hurt only guilty.
I'm not truth, no blood clot. You don't know truth. Hey, rude boy, hear this now. You don't know pussy clot truth. You don't know truth. One of the things, instead of encouraging you them to rise, you have to tell them so they don't go turn criminal.
You
You
know,
talk about how bad Jamaica is, what this you come from.
you know,
Take down the Jamaican flag. If you don't like Jamaica, take down the pussy clad Jamaican flag.
Alright, alright. You the call me how much months ago on them thing there, and you know, left your full name, say you're a doctor this, that from Hawaii and all them thing there. So what? So
Months ago,
yeah.
and last week we saw blood clot call you when me youth them start show. I have a PhD, yes I do.
Yeah.
I have a master, yes I do.
Mm-hmm.
They have 2 bachelors, 1 in civil engineering, yes I do. You're an uneducated piece of shit.
But you know,
the devil.
but you know, but look here, but you know, you know, behave like somebody intelligent, because if you intelligent,
watch it, good boy.
Look here.
That have nothing to do with it, you know.
No, look here, no, listen to me.
Behave like somebody intelligent. You now behave. You con the Jamaican people and I con the people. You 70,000 viewers and we have our subscriber, whatever. You con them. You tell life on blood clot Jamaica.
Listen.
One of the things I like about the big nose man, you know, and even Damien Crawford, when them their parliament, you know, them a talk patwa. You come talk like say, you born and raised a foreign. At 33 blood, 24 years me there foreign. I mean I lose my bumbo clot Jamaican accent. I mean I stop cuss my blood clot them. When me talk to people like, you know, there's a time and a place for everything. And I know how to behave under all circumstances. And I know to act under all circumstances. I have a question for you now. Okay?
Yeah, no. Look here. Listen me now on them thing them. You know, me not give you a chance on them thing if you make you ask nothing on them thing them. Me just ask you some things. Because you
can't ask me nothing. You can't ask. Hey, rude boy. Let me tell you something.
Are you say you kill 14 people? Are you say you kill 14 people at Chicago? You know. How for your man have a PhD? Alright. So you know my
friend. Right here about the Jamaica Defense Force.
Yeah. So okay. So you
okay. What happened in Grenada in 1982?
Yeah, man. That lie I tell you. You don't know nothing. 83 that happened December. You don't know nothing. Lie. You see me I tell you. You don't even know history. You're done. You're done like that. You're done like back at 83. No man. You
left high school in 1982.
You're done like back. You're done like back. But walk with 82 at Grenada.
Mother, you come use
no man. Hey, look here.
Put me down. Hey boy, you can't style me now.
You're a big fool, man. May I tell you that on them thing?
Big fool.
In case you do not know.
What degree you got? How much money you have in the bank?
That's not your business. We're not gonna discuss that with you.
Guess what? You are trying. You are scrap now. You are trying to survive. You are scrap. You are trying to basically survive. You are basically survive now. Okay?
You're
basically trying to survive.
But you know,
the expense of Jamaica.
You know,
you're born and grow.
But you know, it is a crime though to make to threaten someone via the internet.
That boy go suck your blood clot. Come get me now. Come bumbo clot get me.
I don't mean I come get you. I ain't trying to
Everybody, tell the FBI, the CIA, the MIA, tell the whole of them to come get me.
Alright,
bumbo clot don't know who I am.
And look here, and it's that nice when them come, them send us straight to the departure lounge. Cause they say, like I say, you want to go.
No, you're threatening me. I come talk about it. Hey, watch me. You know something? Give up the ante, you know.
You're a fool, man. You're a biggest fool. Remember me tell you that. Hey, look here. Hey, look here. Let me tell you this. No, let me tell you this. You think me one of them blogger with hide and me not up here them thing there. Let me tell you.
Text me your blood clot address if you think you're bad.
Don't you say which one with them, man? Which hey, look here.
Your blood clot address.
Which one me live eat that first there and them thing there. There's a blue sign on the fence there. You know them blue sign that say anything red. Trespassers will be shot on sight.
You think you can address if you think you're bad. You're a bad man. You're a bad man.
You know the sense, man. But anyway, I hope. Look here. I hope you have money. Because when I done with you and them thing, you're going dead and walk out. Remember me telling you.
Suck your blood clot, mother. Yep. You can't suck your mother, go suck the dog under the bed. How the fuck you think you're talking to? Text me your address. Text me your bumbo cloth address.
Yeah, you're a real admiral, man. That's why you love man so much. Look at 3 man you call me and a warfare.
Yeah. I come tell life on blood clot Jamaica. The Jamaican people. And the PMP.
No man, you say if you not watch it. If
you're a fucking labor right rude boy. Hey, a Jim Brown shut up bumbo cloth Bob Marley. I don't know PMP do it. Edward Siaga do it.
You're done. You're done, man. You're sitting in that back high class with the head turned back way. You're done like what?
Yeah, man. You're level 4 A level and scholarship to you. Yeah, man.
You're big dunce, man. I tell lie about Grenada, about 82. Grenada was 83. And you're all on me. You're all on full like what? A 2 cents you have, you know. A 2 cents you have.
You're mad, smarty.
No, I don't mean mad. Are you, hey, look here. Hey, look here.
You're mad, man.
No,
you're trying to make a shilling. And you know something? You know what you're going to do? You know exactly what you're going to do, you know. You're going to edit the conversation, yeah. Because you probably record it. And use it for one of your blog.
Yeah, man, no, I know that. I use it for Senegal, of course, make you get more time at that, me I do. Come on, you get the maximum. More you get when you get.
You know, make it to your level. Text me your address.
Well, yeah, look here. More when you get a workhouse and then drop the soap and them take it. Them boy they fix you up.
You're mad. You sound like a fucking batty man, a man. You worse than fucking Oliver Samuel. You're batty man.
You see? So you see, you know all of them though, cause you're part of your Admiral Club.
That's what Admiral. And that too. I come tell blood clot lie from Vybz Kartel. Hey boy, you say well, sure.
Yes.
I still don't know. But Vybz Kartel and Lizard is dead. Lizard dead. Lizard was a gunman, a thief.
Anyway, let's go and count your time out on the street, man. Cause you soon be going right to the ghost. Me I tell you that.
You know what I do right now? I hope you have your GPS tracking on, you know, even though say this might be a WhatsApp and I can't track you. I hope you have a blood clot, turn off the tracking, you know. You don't have no pussy clot idea.
You have sense.
Little fucking faggot. I come put down Jamaica. You know hard Marcus Garvey tries to build the image of Jamaica. You know hard Bob Marley tries to build the image of Jamaica. You know hard Usain Bolt tries to build the image of Jamaica.
Yeah, because I'm sure you're dunce. Because in case you never know, I'm Norman man that send Marcus Garvey to prison for 6 months for calling him nigga. You're the biggest dunce. Michael Manley never big up Marcus Garvey. Younger somebody big up Edward Siaga. No PMP not like Marcus Garvey because Marcus Garvey not like socialism.
I can check this out. Marcus Garvey go prison, United States government send him to prison.
What about that? We are talking about Jamaica. We are talking about when him go to prison in Jamaica before he come to America. When he pump down Manley. In that case, you're done, man. Hey, look here. I buy your PhD in life, man. A 2 cents you have.
A woman that deserve a blood clot and stop. Maybe you do it in a little bitch voice. A 2 cents you have, man. Nothing I'm shit I'm going to fight. Remember me telling you that. You don't have none. You're the biggest fool, man. Hey, let me tell you this. Between me and you. Hey, you know something? Come on from a blood clot phone.
You're a fool, man. Because hey, me tell you this and thing. If you see the face to face and them thing there, you're a big clown. You know, that's a dummy who claims that he has a PhD, you know, him say want to kill me. Yeah man, say I'll be his victim number 15. You know, so he thought that, you know, that we were afraid to talk with him, you know, you understand? So him call the channel number. So we answer him. We have all him number and him thing there. Because a month him a call, you know, this idiot. You understand? And believe you me, you know, hey, look here. There are many ways to defend myself and him thing there, but I tell you, say, believe you me, this is one guy and him thing there where, you know, would I like for you some would I like for get for defend myself against him? Not with no sir, just physically. Yeah man, you understand what I'm saying? Because corals and all corrupt bunkers or dirty man, I tell you say. You know, yeah, people like him and them thing there, you don't want him go to the departure lounge and them thing there, just like that. You want him to feel some real, you understand what I'm saying? But hey, as we tell him on them thing there, yeah man, it's just a matter of time, the longest live I go see. This corrosion and them thing they were say, him feel say like so we afraid of him and them thing there. But him don't know we, him don't know the kind of person he deal with. But as we tell you already, yeah, the man sort him out. You understand? This corrosion is, me not go comment on the investigation. As we tell you, say we're biggest informer, Yeah man. So we just a wait, yeah man, and him brag and boast when him a come back in America and them thing there. So as we tell him, we're biggest informer. So if you know what informer mean, you understand? So we all leave now and try to educate the fool and make him know say, look here, when I play with you, cause you understand. But through my dummy, him feel like say him feel say some like an idiot Jamaican him a deal with. And him not realize that him a deal with people who are intelligent and people wanna play. This idiot. You understand? So all the year I hear my different Vybz Kartel about and Lizard for dead and all of them things there. So this conversation exemplifies the intimidation tactics used by those who fear the truth. Yet we remain undeterred. So you hear this idiot talk about say him want to claim say him a soldier to all of Jamaica, say him got a grenade in 1982. I remember this is a man all I mean, like all like boy when I think over saying them thing there. I have to educate him, then time me I got high school, I have to them say, hey, I lie you tell you no virgin. I lie you tell cause the JDF never got a grenade until December. You understand, after them kill Maurice Bishop in October. You understand? So I don't know what this all of them never the entire them reach in December. So yet we remain undeterred. Our mission here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel is to expose injustice and corruption, and we are prepared to face any danger that comes our way. And we can tell you, dummy, yeah man, we know say you're obsessed with the channel. Yeah man, if you know, cause we know what you look like, so that's why we have a photograph up there and them thing there. You understand? So we know say we know which one we are gonna see you the next. We know we're gonna see in a person. But I feel like we have some people who are going to get emotional and rush you and them thing. No, we don't do that. We just want for the entire them give you the years them, you understand, behind bars, federal prison. I must think they are nice people you play with. So so please stand with us, support the truth and help us create a safer, more transparent society. So we want you to give a glimpse in, we give you a glimpse into our life at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. The sheer volume of death threats we have received is staggering, coming from unscrupulous individuals who hate the truth. So despite these threats, we are unafraid to speak out. We are unafraid to speak out and tell it like it is. Our resolve is unshaken, even when faced with threats from people who claim to be highly educated, including those with PhDs. We don't fabricate stories to gain views. Yeah, we don't pay for views. Yeah, we don't buy views and them things. They have people who buy YouTube views and all of them something. Yeah man, in case you don't know, we don't know them something. And that's the understand. We don't buy views. So we have concrete evidence showing that our enemies span the globe. We can name some of these adversaries. Yeah man, we can tell you about Samo. Yeah man, Samo from Gregory Park over there, so and Charge Badness. Rick Dick from Craigtown, Rick Dick, him say he must kill me. I don't know this man, this man say he must kill me. And in between New Jersey and Philadelphia, I can't tell you Rick Dick say, me one of the biggest informer in America. I tell you that I'm a proud, so me an informer. You don't know who you play with either. You understand? I'm not afraid of no guy, because I can't tell any man of them things. Me always love the guy them who love kill people and them things. You know what you look like. You understand? Although still, I think you're going to really drive from New Jersey or Pennsylvania, but if you say you're going to threaten my life and your life are going to go easy. So all of them people have my name and them things. Even the brother with name Color. Yeah, Color that a Charge Badness boss. All of a thing are going on with the up on New Jersey and them thing. As me telling you, they're one of the biggest informer on YouTube. You know no dup here, no ghosts and them thing there. Yeah. Just like my boy Blake and them thing there, you understand? Yeah. We can tell you say, you know, of all of the YouTubers them, me know say, yeah, Blake and the ordinary police either. You understand? So we can't talk for nobody else and them thing there. We are talking about experience. People, you understand what I'm saying? We have no qualms and no second thoughts when for defend your life. We want to know especially the Rick Dick and Charge Badness and Summer Color. Color say some things, yeah, we hear what you say and them thing there. Although you know about that feel like because we don't mention you know what we doing a pie club and the killing of the man in New Jersey and them thing there. But I feel like say because you know we're afraid of and them thing there because we have other things to do which is more vital than you guys what you guys are doing in America on a crime, on a commit there on a drugs empire. But don't worry, as time goes by, you know, you understand. So we are not intimidated by criminals or those who wish to harm us. When the time comes, it will be either you or me. So let it be clear, it will be you, not me, you. Now we can tell you say, we, you know, our departure from this world will be due to old age, not at the hands of criminal-minded individual. We can tell you that, that are our life destined. Missy man stay less than 2 feet and try to kill me. Fire how much shot. I not even get to reach my gun yet. And him, yeah, me still there. I just saw it go. So I know I'm born with a purpose and them thing. If a man for John, you can't use bomb kill him. Or we say bomb, because that's what we are telling that, you know. Yeah, bomb, we are telling that. Because we say we're not military, not even bomb. So we know say our manuscript, our life got right that out already. We have an acute sense of detecting danger from afar and know how to deal with it effectively. To those who wish to harm me, heed this warning. Ensure you have your next of kin identification and your cell phone with you when you come. That's all I have to say for now. Cowards will always be cowards. I have seen even the mightiest brought down by the smallest adversaries. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel are committed to our mission and will not be silenced. The truth we speak is just our own, but a voice for those who cannot speak up. We are here to expose the realities others want to hide, and no intimidation will deter us from this path. Your threats only strengthen our resolve and highlight the importance of our work. So please stand with us, support the truth, and help us to create a safer and more transparent society. We know most people, we know some most Jamaicans don't like the truth. I don't know why. Because if we want a better society, we have to start to embrace the truth. Stop hide from it, and we can tell you this. The biggest problem we're having in Jamaica is not the little man that wear a fire gun. We tell you that all the while. It have to do with you have to do with the politicians. Them. They are the ones who are the biggest problems in Jamaica. We tell you that. You know, they are the ones who are contributing to the crime problems there. You understand? And it's not the little man, as we say it already. They are not the real problem. They are just symptoms of it. So yeah, throughout my life, I have never liked a coward, nor have I ever seen myself as one. Heroes and patriots are not afraid to speak truth to power. So let me give you an example of a true hero, not a false one. You know, you're a false hero. False hero, you know, often portray themselves as champion of justice, but their actions reveal otherwise. They use grandiose statement and public gesture to create an image of bravery, yet their true intention and deeds do not align with their proclaimed values when scrutinized. Cowards. Yeah man, we are not coward. We never, yeah. So glorification of mediocrity. These individuals often highlight small, inconsequential victories while ignoring or failing to address more significant issues. They focus on minor achievements to divert attention from their inability or unwillingness to tackle the most important problem that matters. Maintaining the status quo Ultimately, the actions of false heroes, false heroes are designed to preserve the existing power structure. Their efforts aim to appear as agents of change while ensuring that the fundamental dynamics of power and influence remain unchallenged. So we're not going to elaborate on that. When we say that's for educated people, not for the low IQ people. So in contrast, a true hero speaks out against injustice, regardless of personal risk involved. They confront the more significant issues head-on, striving to make a meaningful impact. True heroes do not seek glorification for trivial accomplishments. Instead, they aim to challenge and change the status quo for the greater good. At the Jamaica Young Police channel, we embodied the spirit of true heroism. We received countless death threats from those who despise the truth. Yet we remain undeterred. Even individuals with advanced degrees, you who might expect to value truth and enjoy it, have threatened us. But we stand firm because we are not here to fabricate stories for views. We have the evidence to back our claims, and our adversaries are scattered across the globe. As we said before, we can name some of these adversaries, Samo, Kola, Charge Badness, Ritdick, and many others. We are not intimidated by criminals or those who want to harm us. As we tell you, when it comes, it will be either you or me. Well, let it be clear, it will be you. We're telling that, it will be you. So we are committed to the mission and will not be silenced. The truth is not just our own, but a voice for those who cannot speak up. We are here to expose the realities others want to hide, and no intimidation will deter us from this path. Your threats only strengthen our resolve and highlight the importance of our work. Please stand with us and support the truth and help us create a more transparent society. And thanks for tuning into the Jamaica Young Police channel, and we appreciated everything that you guys have been doing. So to this man who says that he is the Chicago serial killer and wants to kill us, as we said, we converse with him and we can tell you that don't bother think that we are afraid of you. We are not afraid. We know that whenever you're defending your life, you have to make sure fear is the main factor for you to defend your life. And we are afraid because you're threatening to kill us. Yes. There are certain things that we have done deliberately, but we have noticed that you have done otherwise. So to all of you who want to kill Sir Porter, yes, as we say, if a man is supposed to be drowned, not even a bomb can kill him. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel. And before we go no further, always remember, anytime you come, make sure you bring an XFK ID. I can tell you, it will be you. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.